Standard Daniell cell. In standard Daniell cell, Zn is anode, copper is cathode. Zn will undergo oxidation, Cu will undergo reduction. If we calculate the standard electrode potential of the Daniell cell, E0 cell is equal to E0 of cathode minus E0 of the anode. Here cathode is copper, anode is Zn. E0 value of the copper is plus 0.34 volts. E0 value of the zinc is minus 0.76 volts. We will get 1.1 volt is the standard electrode potential for Daniell cell. When Zn plus 2 concentration and Cu plus 2 concentration is equal to 1 molar, then electrode potential is equal to 1.1 volt. Electrode potential is equal to 1.1 volt when Zn plus 2 concentration and Cu plus 2 concentration is equal to 1 molar. If external potential is applied in Daniell cell, that is a concept I am going to discuss now. If external potential is applied in the Daniell cell, when external potential E external is less than 1.1 volt. Actually, electrode potential of the Daniell cell, standard electrode potential of the Daniell cell is 1.1 volt. When Zn plus 2 concentration, Cu plus 2 concentration is equal to 1 molar, then electrode potential is 1.1 volt. Electrode potential is 1.1 volt. Now, if the external potential is less than 1.1 volt, then what will happen? Normal reaction will take place. That means zinc will undergo oxidation, copper will undergo reduction. So electrons flow from zinc to copper. Hence current flows from copper to zinc. And one more point is here, zinc dissolves at anode because zinc is undergoing oxidation. That is, Zn gives rise to Zn plus 2 electrons. That means zinc dissolving at anode and copper deposits at cathode when external potential is less than 1.1 volt. When external potential is equal to 1.1 volt, which is equal to electrode potential, then no flow of electrons or current, and no chemical reactions. And third one is when external potential greater than 1.1 volt, which is greater than electrode potential. So what will happen here? Reverse reaction, opposite reaction will take place. Opposite reaction in the sense, zinc will act as cathode, copper will act as anode. Means copper will undergo oxidation, zinc will undergo reduction. So then what will happen when copper undergoes oxidation, zinc undergoes reduction? Then what will happen? Electrons flow from copper to zinc and current flows from zinc to copper. And one more point is, zinc is deposited at the zinc electrode, and copper dissolves at copper electrode. These are the three important points.